In this video, I'm going to explain about the objective analysis of human gait. Initially, we will have to do full examination of range of motions of hip joint and knee joint and ankle joint. We will have to examine about the any deformity of joint like flexion deformity or extension deformity and the contractures of the muscles. We will have to identify about the extrapyramidal motions like tremors. We will have to identify about the muscle weakness and any pain. These all should be documented systematically. If there is availability of X-ray findings about the spine or lower extremity joints, it should be noted. We will ask patient to come forward or away from the observer. Then we can see the sway of trunk laterally. This deformity is in coronal plane. There is the obliquity of the pelvic which can be seen for the coronal plane. Other is adduction and abduction of the hip joint with rotational movements which can be seen in the coronal plane. Then we will ask patient to go right to left in front of the observer. In this movement or in this walk, we can see about the pelvic rotation, anterior or posterior, flexion and extension of the hip joint and ankle joint and knee joint. The rotational movements can not be easily seen. For this reason, we will have to do videotaping so that we can slow down the movie and we can observe clearly. At the end, I have always there the quote, remember things are not as bad as we understand. Thorns and flowers are not at the same plant. Thank you.